Hey, what's going on? This is Pat Cherubini with the Cherubini Company, and I am pretty excited to announce our new dashboard. We've been dropping little hints about this lately. Haven't released a whole lot on it. We've been working very hard on it, and I want to show you what it is and announce that we have a little mini course that is attached to this video that you can sign up for and learn all about it. It's free, whether you are a client or not. This is something that we can set up for you. We can run ads for you, and we can make your lead follow-up a whole lot easier and a whole lot more profitable. So we call this dashboard Justine. We have named her. And if you stick around to the end of this video, I'll show you where we got the name from. It's from a hilarious movie. We think it's hilarious anyway. We have a little bit of an odd sense of humor, but hopefully you will too. Stick around. We'll show you where that came from. In the meantime, I am going to give you an overview of everything that this does right now. We're still working on some things. So this is our website. As you can see, we run online ads for business owners. And if you go to our clients tab, we have training videos where you are going to see this video. And we have a leads dashboard. And as you can see, it's justine.cherubinicompany.com. And we are going to show you what Justine can do. Okay, so what is Justine exactly? It is a leads dashboard, but it's an analytics dashboard where you have complete access to everything that's going on in your pipeline, in your sales, your lead generation, your email. This is a fake account. This is something that I built just to show it off a little bit. It includes tools that can automate your communication and your follow-up. It includes two-way multi-channel messaging that includes text, email, phone calls, even Facebook Messenger. We can bring it all into this dashboard so you have one place to communicate. It is a sales pipeline, scheduling software, call tracking, call recording, and we're working on some other things. So I'm just going to walk you through it. This is the analytics. You can show your how many leads you have, the pipeline value, whatever it is, how many you've closed. This is all stuff that I'm going to teach you inside this course. I'm just going to give you a quick look at it. This is your funnel. Everything is attached to however you want it set up. We have different pipelines. You can set all this up. You can have a task, assign task to people to keep track of what's going on. Your lead source report, it shows you all the places that your leads are coming in, how many total, what they're valued at, open one, lost. You can sort by dates, all that stuff, your reviews. It includes reputation management. And that's your front page. Conversations. This is all your text messaging, comes all in just like this. You can text people directly from here. You can Facebook message people directly from here. You have an opportunities tab. Again, I'll go in depth over each one of these tabs inside the course. This is just an overview. We have a pipeline here that you can drag things around, move them around, show what's going on, how many. It keeps track of everything. Your marketing includes email campaigns, automated autoresponders, drip campaigns, whatever you want to call them. They can be automated. Your call reporting, you can even listen to your calls that have been recorded and make sure your front desk is doing their job. We have full scheduling and appointments. It's an automated booking system that includes a little bit of built-in artificial intelligence. That's not completely done yet, but that's coming real soon. Your reputation management. This is an easy way to get more reviews, real simply. You can request more from everybody that comes in. You click this check-in client right here, and it'll automatically text them and say, hey, thanks for coming in. How about a review? You get a list of all of your contacts that are always there. You can click contacts and see everybody that has come into your pipeline. And we are even building funnels, landing pages, websites. That's all coming. This is actually what we are using in our agency right now to build landing pages for our ad campaigns. It's going to be released to anybody that needs it, but right now that's what we're doing. We have different triggers, training videos, support, everything else that comes down the pike that we're going to go into this is going to be added at whatever we're doing for you. So forms, surveys, those are coming. even a mobile app we're working on. So how do you use this? That's what the course is for. Just click log in, enroll. It's free. You can go step by step. I have a video over every single tab, and it explains how to use it and why to use it, best practices, and how to make it work better for your business. So jump in the course, watch every video. So what if you use this? What if you could get back to your leads, opportunities, patients, clients, customers? It doesn't matter what you call them. This works for any business. We do lots of medical businesses, dentists, doctors, home improvement services, pizza chains, restaurants. We do this for a lot of people, and this is what we use. This is our agency dashboard, and we've built it just for you. So jump in. Let us know if you want us to build one for you and use this. And imagine if somebody came in as a lead and you could get back with them immediately and then text them and call them, leave a voicemail. We can do all of this inside this little dashboard named Justine. So what can it do for you? If you want, go ahead and go back to cherubinicompany.com and click on this little proof tab, and you can see some of our customers. It's Angie and I, but you can see we have, added 40 new patients in just a month. That's gone up since then, just so you know. 31 qualified dental implant leads, easy. Lots of people happy talking about how, hey, that people see us all over the place. In 2 months, I've been blown away. I've gotten the best results over any other campaign. Watch these videos. These are our clients talking about what we are doing for them and using this dashboard. This is all from Justine. Been open a short time and already have over 100 patients. We got chiropractors. We've got real estate. We've got dentists, other dentists, water well drilling. These are just a few. We're going to keep adding on to these, but if you want to spend some time and hear it from customers and not just us, you can do that. Now, this is a little sneak peek. This is a brand new client that just came on in September. We're just going to go in this month. This is September 2020. Today is the 23rd. So this is what he has so far. These are not typical. They're more typical for us than they are for other people. But as you can see, 68 leads in for a total pipeline value of $68,000. He's closed a little bit. He's closed $12,000 already, way more than what they pay us. So this is just a brand new live account. As you can see, 59 leads came in from the ad and 9 phone calls came in from the ad. We still got lots open. We have over $60,000 left in the pipeline to try to work on closing. And then next month we keep adding more, and this just compounds. We get more and more. This is an already established dentist, so don't let the big numbers scare you. This is somebody that was already doing some TV advertising, and we just compounded, tacked it on, and multiplied it. So if you want results similar to this, reach out, talk to us. I highly suggest you jump in this course, and we can show you exactly what it does and what it can do for you, and try to open your mind. So that's all I have for you today. Jump in, click enroll, log in, watch some of these things. And as I promised, I'm going to tell you how we named this little gem here, Justine. It is from the movie Why Him? If anybody's seen it, comment below. Let me know if you liked it. We loved it. It's a little bit raunchy, but that's the way it goes around here sometimes. So this is where she came from, Justine. And again, I hope to see you inside this mini course so we can teach you how to do more lead follow-up better.